Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you're trying to find the fuse for the rear view mirror, automatic dimming rear view mirror, you have special functions like SOS and assist as well. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses, and something else that most people often make a common mistake that can actually destroy your computer modules when replacing a fuse, so we'll cover that as we go. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. Now, V6, V8, it will work on both of them. Let's explain what we have here. Most people will automatically open the hood, and right here in the engine bay you have a fuse box that they will check, but actually that fuse is not here, it's actually in a different place. So where that fuse could be, guys, so if we come right here, you can see this is the rear view mirror, auto dimming rear view mirror with multiple functions. Car was in a little bit of an accident, but not bad. Runs and drives like a champ. We'll be fixing it soon. And if you come here in the trunk, guys, open the trunk, and where your spare tire is, okay, underneath, and the car battery, you have a special fuse box right there that you will need to actually press this way, lift up, and it will open. Now what do we need to check here? Two fuses that we need to check, but before we do that, let me tell you why it's super important to actually, guys, test fuses, because sometimes you cannot clearly see if the fuses are burnt or not, and often, okay, if you put that fuse that you think it's good but it's actually bad, you will spend time, you will spend money on parts and time to fix a problem that doesn't exist. So avoid that, always test fuses. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from, so check it out. The first fuse that we need to check, guys, okay, we'll remove that fuse here. Now I want to mention something. Sometimes well, it's recommended every time you remove a fuse to have the car battery disconnected. And on these modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn computers, modules, electronics, and that can cost you quite a bit of money, guys. We have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. Now, right here, we'll remove that relay. You don't have to. Okay, I'm removing it so I can show you. And the fuse that you need to check, one of them is fuse number 3, starting from the left. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count it. 1, 2, 3, right here, guys. Then you go to something else, okay? You have one more fuse, and it will be, guys, okay, fuse number known as 67. It will be that fuse right here. 1, 2, 3, that fuse there as well, guys. 45 and 67, these two fuses are actually for the rear view mirror. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.